Gorgeous wood handle and carbon steel blade. I have been increasing my knife use as I'm making a lot more homemade meals and needed something that holds an edge better than my cheap knives. Out of the box, it slices paper-thin tomato slices. It also slices this bell pepper like nothing. This knife needed very little effort to cut through raw broccoli stalks. This is my new favorite go-to general purpose knife. Holding an edge is safer than a knife that goes dull, and I found when doing large amounts of vegetable cutting, such as batches of salsas, it makes the work much easier. The handle and blade finish are of course gorgeous and fit well in my large hands. Overall, this is a great knife and wonderful upgrade for my kitchen tools.